The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, defines the difference between your mortgage lender and your mortgage servicer, as your mortgage lender is the financial institution that loans you the money. Your mortgage servicer handles the day-to-day tasks of managing your loan. Your loan servicer typically processes your loan payments, they respond to borrower inquiries, keep track of principal and interest paid, manages your escrow account, and may initiate foreclosure if you miss too many loan payments. Many people mistakenly assume that when you get a mortgage, the lender you got it from will service your loan until you either sell or the loan is paid off. That's frequently not the case today. In fact, the rights to service your mortgage are often bought and sold. In many cases, the company that you send your payment to is not the company that owns your loan. First and foremost, just because your servicer may change, none of the terms of your mortgage can ever change. The impact to a borrower from a change in servicing should be minimal. In fact, the only real change you should encounter is to whom and where you make your monthly mortgage payments. The CFPB also goes on to say that if the servicing rights for your loan are sold and you get a new servicer, your old and new servicers must notify you of the transfer of servicing rights to your loan. The notice should disclose to you the date on which your old servicer will stop accepting payments and the date on which your new servicer will begin to accept payments. It should also disclose the new servicer's name, customer inquiry address, telephone number for an employee or department of the new servicer, and the effective transfer date. If your loan servicer changes, carefully review your monthly mortgage statement to confirm that your payments are being accurately credited. Failure to send your payments to the right servicer after you receive notification that the servicing rights on your loan have been sold could result in your payments not being credited properly. Additionally, for 60 days beginning on the effective transfer date of the servicing rights from your previous servicer to your new servicer cannot charge you a late fee or treat the payment as late if you send it to your previous servicer on time or within the applicable grace period. Generally, the entity that is selling the servicing rights must provide you with a notice not less than 15 days before the effective date of the transfer, and your new servicer must deliver a transfer notice not more than 15 days after the effective transfer date. If the two notices are combined, then the combined notice must be delivered to the borrower not less than 15 days before the effective transfer date. Be sure to pay attention to the effective dates, and be sure to account for the additional time in transit if you mail your mortgage payments. Also, if you have your mortgage payment automatically debited from your bank account and your servicer changes, be sure to update the information in your account. Another very important point on loan servicing is this. Many lenders advertise that they do not sell loans as if this is a benefit of some kind to the borrower. Statements like this are very misleading to consumers. In many cases, the loan has in fact been sold, but the servicing rights are retained by the lender. They sell the loan and then get paid to service it. As time goes on, it's virtually impossible to guarantee a borrower that their loan will never be sold, as changes in management, mergers and acquisitions, or other economic realities must be dealt with. At this website address, the Federal Trade Commission offers consumers information on many different aspects of loan servicing, including their responsibilities and your rights: escrow accounts, transfers of servicing, transfer of ownership, posting of payments, force-placed insurance, fees, special considerations for loans in default, payoffs, inquiries and disputes, and more. For more information about servicing of a mortgage or for information on any other mortgage-related topic, please feel free to reach out to your PrimeLending loan officer.